Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So a while ago I started investing in crypto. I know a lot of people are talking about it and it seems to be very popular, but I thought I'd share how I'm going this year with my project with the Cake token. Now I got into Cake token last June, really as an option to put some surplus cash into it, keep buying, keep accumulating, and go with their auto compounding where they were paying pretty good interest rates. Now over that time the interest rates have significantly dropped. I got in when they were around about 100% APY. Now currently around about the 50 to 60%, so therefore the actual amount per day of tokens I'm getting is significantly less, but then that's counteracted by the fact I've now got a lot more tokens in there. Now when I've done a previous update video, people have commented saying you've now lost half of your money based on the fact that we've seen the significant drop in the price of the token. When we look at when I started to get into this last year, it was probably around about £12, about £9 a token. Now I did buy a few more as the price went up, but again that was with significant earnings and profit I'd made from other crypto investments. And as prices now started to drop this year, I've bought back in, so trying to buy the dip. But again, prices just keeps going down and down. So at some point I've got to work out a strategy to exit if I'm going to hold this long term. Do I need to just keep doing this what I'm doing, or try and just cut losses and move away? But what's interesting is actually the figures for this year, 2022, for the past 2 months, as the price has been falling significantly. So I thought I'd take you through what I've actually purchased, what I've actually lost, but what the net overall loss is, considering the actual daily interest rates and the payments I'm getting back out of the token. So let's have a quick look at the statistics. So here we have it in 2022, so January and February, I've purchased a total of 225 tokens. Now that in value, I've spent £1,608, so it's an average cost of token of £6.85. And when compared to the current price of £4.82, we can see there's a significant loss in the actual value. So the current value of the actual portfolio just in this year would be £1,137 and an overall loss of £471, or probably 30%. But this is where it gets interesting. The interest payments, I'm getting approximately 1.4 token per day based on my current portfolio. So if we take the last 2 months, I've earned approximately 82 tokens on the auto compounding, and that has given a value back to me of £390. So when you look at that, the overall loss in that past 2 months has only been £81. But then considering the actual token itself has lost 50% of its value, I started the year around about £9 per token, and now we're at the £4.80. It was a little bit lower yesterday, but these things too fluctuate quite a lot. So I'm not giving investment advice. This is purely what I'm doing. This is purely my strategy for actually having a long-term investment from Cake tokens. I really hope it pans out, but as we're seeing, a lot more companies are starting up the same sort of projects. We've seen Caramel Swap, we've now seen with Crypto.com their affiliation with VVS Finance. So we're seeing lots more other platforms doing virtually the same thing and offering similar, if not better, interest rates, and that's why people are flooding away. Now, the reason why I've seen interest rates significantly lower than what they were is because the amount of money being staked in the pools has gone up dramatically. As the price of the Cake token has dropped this year, we're seeing a lot more people buying them, holding them, and invest them in the platform to get auto compounding and a good return on interest. But hopefully, as price starts to recover and comes back up into where it should be, hopefully something in the sort of £10 mark or $15, we can then start to see some people taking their profits out, interest rates return back up, and we can start to get another good return on our investment. But again, that's just speculation. That's where the whole thing of cryptocurrency is a bit of the Wild West, and significant amount of people are losing money left, right and centre. But for me, I'm only investing what I can afford to lose, and it's not massive amounts. Yes, it's been £1,600 this year invested, but again, that's come from other crypto money I've actually had, bought and sold, traded that around, and just put those profits into this project so I can actually get through to the first year and see if it was worthwhile. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick update on how I'm getting on with crypto investment and the PANCAKE swap, and I'll do another update in a few months to see if the actual price has returned round and I'm actually starting to make an overall profit. So thanks for watching, see you soon. Cheers!